Hello friends, is your cruise control suddenly not working? Maybe the set or resume button isn't responding? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0590, it means there's a problem with the cruise control multifunction input C circuit. This could be caused by a faulty switch, damaged wiring, or an issue with the cruise control module. But the big question is, where is the faulty component located? Let's find out. What is P0590? The P0590 code stands for Cruise Control Multifunction Input C Circuit High. This means the ECU has detected an electrical issue in the multifunction input switch circuit, which controls the cruise control settings. Common symptoms of P0590. Cruise control not engaging cruise control, turns off unexpectedly. Check engine light CL is on. Cruise control buttons don't function properly. Erratic cruise control behavior. If you're facing any of these problems, let's locate the faulty component. To diagnose P0590, check these key components. Cruise control switch, also called multifunction switch. Location, on the steering wheel or steering column. This switch sends speed control commands to the ECU. Cruise control module. Location, under the dashboard or near the engine bay firewall. This module processes cruise control inputs and maintains speed. Brake pedal position sensor. Location, above the brake pedal, under the dashboard. A faulty sensor can mistakenly disable cruise control. Clutch pedal position sensor for manual transmission vehicles only. Location, attached to the clutch pedal assembly. A malfunctioning clutch switch can disable cruise control. Wiring and fuse box. Location, fuse box under the dashboard or engine bay. Damaged wiring or blown fuses can cause circuit malfunctions. Common causes of P0590 faulty cruise control switch. The switch may be worn out or sending incorrect signals. Damaged wiring or loose connections. Corroded or disconnected wires can cause signal loss. Blown fuse or faulty relay. If a fuse related to the switch is blown, the circuit may fail. Brake or clutch pedal sensor malfunction. If either sensor is faulty, the system may disengage cruise control. Cruise control module failure. If the module is faulty, it won't process switch inputs properly. How to fix P0590. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to check for additional trouble codes. Step 2. Test the cruise control switch. If unresponsive, replace it. Step 3. Inspect brake and clutch pedal sensors. If faulty, replace them. Step 4. Check fuses and relays. Replace any blown fuses related to cruise control. Step 5. Inspect wiring and connectors. Repair any broken or corroded wires. Step 6. Reset the ECU and test drive to confirm the fix. Ignoring P0590 can leave you without a functioning cruise control system, affecting long drives. Fixing it early ensures safe and smooth highway driving. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0426. Catalyst temperature sensor low, bank 1. P0427. Catalyst temperature sensor high, bank 1. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.